Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video, we would be having a look at KuCoin, which is the #1 altcoin exchange that has supported over 648 plus projects and has over 1000 plus trading pairs. Apart from having a look at what KuCoin Exchange is, we would be also learning about how you can buy or deposit crypto with the help of KuCoin Exchange, as well as how you can trade in KuCoin. And at the end of the video, I'll be talking about a way on how you can earn a passive income with the help of crypto lending feature in the KuCoin Exchange. So let us now get started to the video. So the very first thing that you need to do is just go to the link in the description below for KuCoin. Once you're on this link, you can see you can start trading Bitcoin and 600 different cryptocurrencies with as little as $1. So even if you do not have a big portfolio, you do not need to worry because KuCoin has got you covered. So let me now talk about one of the interesting features of KuCoin. 1 in every 4 crypto holders worldwide is a KuCoin user, which indeed is a proud moment for KuCoin user like me. Now the next thing that you need to do is simply click on this option which says sign up. So in KuCoin you can sign up using two different methods, either by your email or using your mobile number. So if you have chosen the email option, simply insert your email. You will then be receiving a verification code. Please insert that verification code, set up a new password and make sure that the referral code is inserted properly. Once done, simply click on the sign up. This is how easily you can create a KuCoin account. The next step is to complete your KYC verification. As soon as you sign up to KuCoin, you would be then redirected to this particular page. And once you are KYC verified, you can withdraw daily up to 1 Bitcoin, which is huge. In order to get started, simply click on the start verification. First step is to choose your country, then insert your first name, your last name, and you will be asked to insert your document details. I would be suggesting you to please use your driver's license. It will help you to get verified very easily. Simply insert your details. So I have provided all of my details. Once done, I'll be simply clicking on the submit. And guys, this is how you can complete your KYC verification. Now friends, we are on the home page of KuCoin and you can see these are all the different options that you will be able to see in their website. Let me now teach you how to buy crypto with KuCoin Exchange. In order to buy the crypto, you need to first click on the buy crypto option. And after you click on the buy crypto, you will see three different options. First is the fast trade, wherein you can buy USDT using Visa, MasterCard as well as SEPA. This is one of the popular and my favorite method of buying crypto, which is the P2P transfer. And friends, with P2P, you can buy USDT, BTC, ETH, KCS as well as USDC. So friends, in order to be able to see the payment method of your local country, simply click on the USD option and then choose the currency of the country in which you are residing in. For example, if you are from India, please choose INR and then you will be able to see the payment method which is supported by your local country. And in the right hand side, you can see the prices at which you can buy 1 USDT. So if you wish to buy from any of the seller, all you need to do is simply click on the buy and then follow the instructions which are being told. Now let us talk about the possibility wherein you already have crypto and you just want to deposit it into your KuCoin wallet. So in order to be able to doing that, simply click on your avatar and choose the option which is main account. After clicking on the main account, here friends you can see the list of all the different cryptocurrencies which are listed on the KuCoin Exchange. So I'll be making use of the search feature and search for the token which is BNB. Here you will find different options. I'll be clicking on the deposit. After selecting the name of the crypto, we now need to choose the network of the crypto. Let me simply open my MetaMask wallet. And in my MetaMask, this is the total amount of BNB that I am holding, which is BEP20. So I'll be simply clicking on that option. And this is the address in which I have to send my BNB tokens. In order to send, let me again go back to MetaMask wallet, click on the option which is send. Herein, I'll be pasting a deposit address and then insert the amount of how many BNB I want to send and then click on the next and then choose the confirm. You can see the transaction has been initiated. Right now the time is 18:21. So let me pause this video and see how much time it takes for a successful deposit. And as you can see friends, it just took me over 2 minutes for a successful BNB deposit. These were the steps on how you can buy as well as deposit crypto into your KuCoin exchange. Now let me teach you how to trade in KuCoin and buy your favorite crypto token. In order to be able to buy the token, click on the option which is trade. Here you will find 3 different trading options. I'll be choosing the basic one which is spot trading. First step is to choose the token which you want to trade. In order to be able to do that, click on this option and search for the token. In my case, it is BNB and the pair I'll be choosing is BNB KCS. If you do not know what KCS is, let me tell you friends, KCS is the own native token of the KuCoin exchange. The next thing you need to choose is the amount at which you want to sell your BNB or any token that you're holding. Before you can actually start to trade, you first need to set up a trading password. So let me click on that option. In order to set up a new trading password, you first need to confirm your email. Once after you have confirmed, you need to insert a 6-digit code that you will remember forever. Once done, simply click on the confirm. You can see friends, I have set up a new password. Just for a security reason, I'll be suggesting you to please link your phone number as well as Google Authenticator, so it will make your account more secure. Now let me insert the password that I had set, and as you can see, I can now trade without any issues. In order to be able to trade, first thing you need to do is you need to choose the price at which you want to sell your tokens. Even after clicking on the 100%, it shows that I have 0 BNB balance. Let me show you how you can solve this error. For that, you need to go to your wallets, and after going to your wallet, click on the token which you want to trade. In my case, it is BNB. I'll be clicking on the option which is transfer. And now I need to transfer the BNB from main account to the trading account. So both these accounts are different. I'll be inserting the amount and click on the confirm. You can see friends, my funds has been successfully converted into trading balance. I'll be clicking on the sell BNB. And just after a few seconds, my order has been successfully executed. Now let us go back to our wallet, and you can see my purchase of KCS token has been successfully completed. Now let me talk about various steps on how you can reduce the trading fees in the KuCoin exchange. You can reduce your trading fees in 3 different steps. First step is to hold the KCS token starting from 1000 to over 15,000 KCS tokens. Second step to reduce your trading fees is by spot trading this amount of BTC volume. And the third way in which you can reduce the fees is by futures trading and this much amount of BTC value. And guys, once after you have inserted in various levels, your maker as well as taker fees will reduce. If suppose you are on the level 1 and you use KCS token in order to pay the trading fees, then friends, you will get an additional 20% of discount. So these are the various ways on how you can reduce your trading fees. Now let me talk about one of the most interesting segment in the KuCoin exchange, which is the crypto lending. In order to be able to go to the crypto lending, click on the option which is on and choose crypto lending. Before you can get started, you first need to enable margin trading. Click on that option, read all of the terms and conditions. Once done, click on I have understand and choose confirm. We are now on the crypto lending page. In the left hand side, you can see all of the different cryptos that you can lend. The popular among all is USDT. You can lend your crypto for different durations, example 7 days, 14 days as well as 28 days. And friends, as you can see, the maximum daily interest rate that you can charge from borrowers is of over 2% per day, which comes to 730% of APY. But friends, I'll be suggesting you to keep the lowest APY so that the trades would get executed faster. Also friends, if at any time you want to borrow crypto, simply click on the borrow option and you can borrow your favorite cryptocurrency at the rate in which you want to borrow. But right now, we'll be totally focusing on the lending part. Before you can proceed to lend your crypto, first thing that you need to do is you need to convert your funds from trading account to your main account. After that, choose the amount of how much you want to lend. In this example, I'll be lending over 11 USDT. After that, you have to choose how much daily interest you want to charge. starting from 0% to over 2%. I'll be choosing the lowest among all, which is 0.023. This is the total amount of profits that I can earn if I lend 11 USDT for 28 days. Once done, I'll be clicking on the lend USDT and choose confirm. You can see friends, my order has been initiated. After waiting for a few seconds, my funds has been successfully lended. So friends, this was pretty much my review about the KuCoin Exchange 2022. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.